Disney Toys Review here. Today we have my first JBC. We have 3 different mighty machines. Let's take a look.
I'm Marty the Mixer. It's time to mix things up. More cement, anyone? I love to whistle while I work. You load it, I'll mix it.
The cement barrel really moves. You can move it also when you're rolling on the ground using the front wheels. And there's this button to have lights and sounds.
I'm Marty the Mixer.
You can turn him off when you don't want sound. Now that we've seen Marty the Cement Mixer, let's check out some other My First JCBs we have. We have 2 more. This is Joey. Joey JCB. Wow, look at how far he can move his scoop. So cool. Joey the backhoe is really amazing. Finally, we have Dan the Bulldozer. Peekaboo!
Nothing stands in my way. I eat rocks for breakfast. Let's get smashing and bashing. I'm Dan the Dozer. I eat rocks for
His
breakfast.
blade raises up and down.
Stands in my way.
He has wheels underneath that help him roll. It's time to go to the job site.
Bulldozers are very brave.
Dan the Dozer is working hard. Here comes Joey JCB. He's going to be loading some extra rocks into the cat construction dump truck. These mighty machines are working really hard. I wonder what they're building. Here comes Marty the Mixer. Yay! They did it! We have two different ones, Joey JCB and Doug the dump truck. This is a press-down vehicle and it has a real working scoop. Doug the dump truck is also a press-down vehicle. And he has a real tipping bucket. Let's open them up and take a look. Joey JCB comes with two red boulders. His scoop moves up and down. He has such a fun face. And look at those eyes. He's got green rims on his wheels. Wow, at the back you can see there's a backhoe. Joey, you're pretty cool. Here we have Doug. Doug the dump truck comes with two blue boulders. You can see his fun face right here. He's got red rims on his wheels. He's got push-down action. He also has this bucket that really dumps. That's so cool. Let's see how many boulders we can fit inside his dump truck. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can fit all 4 boulders in his dump truck. Let's dump them out. We have some mighty machines on the job site. We're going to be looking at lots of dump trucks. This is a small dump truck. The small dump truck has a small load of rocks. Doug, the dump truck is big. Small. Big. The cat dump truck is small, and he has a small load of rocks. Doug the dump truck is big, and he's got a big load of rocks. Wow, this cat dump truck is the biggest. Small. Big. Biggest. Wow, all these mighty machines are so cool. We have the small dump truck. We have the big dump truck. And we have the biggest dump truck. We have the small pile of rocks. We have the big pile of rocks. And we have the biggest pile of rocks. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.